Baby monster truck oil leak.
I'm going down the slide. I want to slide with my toy truck.
Whoa! Wow, a toy truck!
No, that's my toy. Please put it down.
I got it first! Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Help me.
Hello. Welcome to the TinkerBot Repair Center.
Oh,
TinkerBot, please help me. I'm hurt.
Oh, okay. Let me check you first. First, I'll fix the fuel tank. Now let's paint it. Blow it dry. All right, done. Now let's fix this bearing. Heat it up and shape it back.
Great job.
Oh!
Now it's cleaning time. First, rinse with clean water. Add soapy bubbles. Wash the bubbles away. Dry with the fan. Finally, wax and polish. All finished.
Wow, I'm so clean now. Thank you.
You're welcome. Look, here is your toy truck.
Oh!
Great job. You can share your toys with your friends.
Thank you.
You're welcome.